In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to set and release the parking brake on a 2021 Nissan Altima. Pretty simple process once you know what you're looking for. This one does not have the electronic parking brake like many new vehicles do. Located next to the brake pedal on the far left here, you will see the push on and off. That is the parking brake. So with your left foot, you'll just depress that. At the same time, you'll notice that up on the dash, it says brake. So now we know that the parking brake has set. To release the parking brake, you're just going to go back down. You'll notice it's pushed all the way forward, and just with your foot, you will give it another push. And when you do, the parking brake will pop back off. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple process. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.